Good afternoon, everyone. We are here at Indiana Trail. Indiana Trail is located here in Lagtang, Talisay, near the Talisay City Jail. So just a little bit pedaling and then you'll arrive to the entrance part of this trail. So this trail is a loose technical trail. There's a bunch of jumps, which is really fun. It's been a while since we've hit this trail, but today it's going to change. Let's go. Good afternoon, everyone. So dugay-dugay na po ng panahon nga nakaride ta sa itong bike. Medyo na busy siya tagamay, but natatay karon sa Indiana Trail diri sa Talisay. Mag solo ride ta karon, and then let's check out this trail. Lingaw kini sa nga trail, but we'll take it easy because just like I said, dugay-dugay na tawa katira diri nga trail. Wa pa jud ta bike. Okay, so this is the entrance part sa trail. Wow. Whoa. Take it easy. Yeah. One thing that we need to be mindful with this trail, kaya usahay na yung mga bata. There's a jump here. Whoa. Quite loose. It's quite loose today. Natoy murag gamay nga drop diri. Whoa, 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 whoa. Approaching to a more rocky section. Wow. Lingaw gyapon kayo nga trail ba? Chill lang ta guys, kay dugay-dugay na tawa kay riding nga trail. Lusa ba eh, grabe ka loose. So approaching ta sa series jumps. Uy, nagdako lagi itong unahan, kalingaw good. Ah, nice, fun drop. Wow. Woo. I think napay jump diri gamay. Wow, grabe ka loose bay. Muram nag-ride og flat tires ani. Oh. Man, riding a bike is so much fun. Di ba? Especially kanang naka sa nature. Lingaw kayo. Careful lang jud ta permi pod kay medyo scary man gamay ang atuang sports, pero if may muray ta og mas tanang practical, mas maayo. Wow, drop. Wow, nice. Mawala na guys, uli na ta. Pila ram to ka minutes nga break, diba? Balik na po ta sa tuwang responsibilities. Kay reality, lingaw mag bike, pero mas importante nga atong mabuhat ang atong mga responsibilities sa atong pamilya, sa mga tao nga nagpalibot nato, no? Okay, that's all for today. Have a good day. Always remember to seek God first. Bye.